Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of October 4th through the 10th, and I'm going to be using the Cozy Fall Kit from Coffee Planner Mom. Also, I'd like to let you know that she is part of the, I believe it's the Pink Planner sale. I'll put it up here, which I believe is from the 8th to the 10th, but I will add that in text up here just to double check on those things. But you can get 30% off at her shop during that sale, so check that out. I think I'm going to try and do, it's always a little bit tricky to do in a happy planner, but I want to try and do a semi no white space. You see how I'm clarifying? A no white space spread. I've never done one. I don't know if I can. That's why I say semi no white space. And see how that goes. But I think to help out, what I'll do is I'll use the date headers from the kit and like bring it down just a little bit just to shorten the boxes a little bit. Let's see how that goes. All right, I think that's helpful. I think that's a good way to start things off. And I don't know if I'll use all of the full boxes. See, this is where it's suddenly not, a no white space spread, but we're gonna see what we can do. I love little Ella the Chipmunk. She's so cute. The important things I have this week, oh, my sticky note is gone. But good thing I can remember. I have a meeting on Thursday. It's also Pink Zebra game night. We have a Sharpie vet appointment on Friday. I usually put my chore stickers here. Also, I have some to-dos that just need to get done over here. So, all right, how do we want to finagle this? I think we chore sticker first. We're going to put it on Sunday at the bottom. And we'll use the blue quarter box there. Okay. Then, Sharpie's vet appointment. Let's put that in green here because it's really an afternoon thing. And then meeting and game night. Let's put, this is tricky to do. So we've got that and that. This I think will go over here. Do we want to use maybe the pumpkins? Because it has that blue, and bring that in over here. This is one of those things that I'm kind of like, I don't know. It's so new for me. I feel like I still want to get in all of the things first. So let's do the orange down here for game night. And we'll do the maroon kind of here for my after school meeting. And then Oh, I think I might have an idea. Maybe. I think I do. As I slow down and go, oh, well, maybe not. I don't know. Okay. I have the freebies here. I also pulled out, this is from, I believe, the Woodland Hues kit. And then I brought out what I had left of the Woodland Hues too, because that can be helpful. Okay. Let's... This is so hard. I didn't realize how hard a no white space planner spread was for me. Okay. I didn't really want to use this weekend banner yet, but I might. Let's do... I think it's funny that I'm using the Crisp Mornings Crunchy Leaves Cozy Sweater Fall Breeze, and it's going to be in the 70s all week. Oh, Indiana. But that's okay. You can tell that there's a difference in the air. Let's do a checklist at the top on Monday. I feel like a checklist counts as no white space in the sense of like, it's my to-do list. Do I have my little to-dos stickers? I do over here somewhere. Let's see. All right, these are functional scripts from Crafty Nelly, and I think I'll use the priority one. Right there. And then let's do, so we've got blues. Let's do the leaves, then a box. And thus it begins. I know it's not exactly straight. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. Then let's do orange and green. I might stop talking and just like speed through some of the things. Again, it's not straight. I'm good. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. It's the end of the world. whoa, I can finally speak, because that was really hard for me. I'm so used to leaving space, and it's not perfect. It's not exactly how I would want it, but I'm interested to see how I'm going to use it this week. But it's cute. Like, I don't hate it by any means. I don't hate it by any means. Let's see if we add some mushrooms to some of these boxes too. Like, maybe put like just a little right there. Maybe one right there. We'll put some leaves. I feel like I've almost used up her entire kit, and it's a little too big. Let's see, do I have a smaller leaf? I probably do. I'm sure someone's yelling at me. Of course you do. It's over on that page. Make you fit. I think I can make you fit. There you go. Whew. That is going to be interesting. I got to find my top 3 scripts, because I think I'm going to put those there. Or I might just leave it blank the way it is. We still got to do meals. And I think for meals, we'll use Ella. I know I have her over here, so throw her on top there. I mean, I guess I could use a checklist instead. Is that too much, Ella? The chipmunk's name is Ella, by the way, if you didn't know. I don't think so. I don't think it's too much. So let's do meal plan. And Ella right there. Super cute. We'll use the deep breath quote. Like, look at this. This is crazy. You can't see. I'm sorry. I'm in that different planner space right now. So there's that. And then we have been liking doing the playlist of the week. I did not have one for last week because, well, last week was interesting. Here, we'll put down Tell Tuesday. That'll go here. Chores can go here. Sweet. And that's it for that. Just double checking things. Is there anything else? We could do some more coffee stuff. Maybe just add some falling leaves. Whole pile of pumpkins. Whoa. This is not my typical spread, but it's not bad. It's not what I expected. I didn't really know what I was expecting. I just knew I had to get this and this and this down. So everything else will be interesting. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you all in the next one. See ya.